Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today I'm going to show you what you're going to do if you turn on the printer and your screen look like this. Again, we're shooting from our printer repair shop at Greensboro, North Carolina, so we don't have the best audio and light equipment and nothing fancy. I hope you enjoy it.
Hey guys, it's Abby. So we have a really quick and easy fix here if your display screen is busted like this one is. First thing to do, go ahead and open up your scanner and open up your printer, pull the scanner up, and you will see this long piece in front close to your LCD panel. There'll be 5 screws in there, and you can go ahead, unscrew that, and just pull that piece upright. It will just pop right off. Under this black cover where your ink goes, there'll be 2 screws on the right side there, and then 2 screws opposite of that on the left side of the LCD panel. That's how we loosen that panel to take it off. Basically, we can't just yank it off or anything. There's this FFC cable that's attached to that, so we need to be careful. I basically pull it off and then just kind of lay it a little bit inside the printer, or just kind of relax it inside of there while I'm working. Then we're going to unscrew these 4 screws on this back plate of the LCD panel. Once you take those screws off, just use your fingernail or something to kind of pop that piece off. It really shouldn't be hard to do. So here you can't just yank off that FFC cable. You'll see there's this little black piece that is on top of that cable. I'm just bringing it closer to the camera to show you. So that piece goes up and down to hold that FFC cable in. So if you were to yank that out, that could cause more damage and create another error. So when you see that, you just need to lift that black piece up when you're putting your cable in or taking it out. So I lift that up. Here I was just trying to make sure that I had it fitted in correctly. So pull that black piece up and fit your cable in with the pins facing the correct way, and then just snap that black piece down on top of it for it to hold in place. After we get that done, we can go ahead and basically just put it back together. Now that was the quickest, easiest thing to do. So now we have our back plate again, putting that back on, and we'll put the 4 screws back in it. You can flip that LCD panel back over and just gently, I try not to be forceful with this just because of that cable. I don't want to yank it out, don't want to do anything too rough with it. So just lay it back down on those 2 prongs on either side. It will fit in where it's supposed to, you'll see. And then those 2 screws on the right side, and then the 2 screws on the left side is how we'll screw it back into place. Grab that top piece and lay it back flat on there, and then you can grab your screws and put your screws back in. Once I got my screws back, I powered it on just to test, and my screen came up looking good. So way to go, we replaced it. Happy printing, everybody.